para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ang playtime. You're welcome! Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%.
Taas nun, ha?
Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out.
Ang bilis!
Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
Please, umuulan!
Hindi mo tayo makakabenta.
Yes!
Don't worry. Be Only with Smart's Power All 99. Hindi bitin ang benta with only TikTok or Facebook plus 10 gig data and more. Load now!
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
It is time to officially open the weekend with some collegiate hoops action. Muli natin bubuksan ang Playtime Phil-Oil Center para sa pagpapatuloy ng Playtime Gears Phil-Oil Ecol 18 Pre-Season Cup presented by ABC Tile Adhesive. Medyo mabigat-bigat na araw to ngayon dahil 4 na laro ang ating matutungayan. We have 2 NCAA matches lined up for you today as well as 2 UAAP matchups for you that will be capped off by a heavyweight showdown. It's the Lasal Green Archers versus the UP Fighting Maroons. But we will begin our Saturday quadruple header with this matchup between San Sebastian College Recoletos Golden Stags versus the San Beda University Red Lions. Good day, Pilipinas. Thank you for joining us inside the Playtime Phil-Oil Center. Jay De La Cruz together with Ross Chodico. And this is the kind of weekend na inaabangan mo pag wala ka na ginagawa, walang pasok, diba? Basketball muna tayo.
Very true, Jay. And we have a lot of these games in store for you. Starting with the San Sebastian Stags at hand and San Beda University Red Lions.
Well, galing na sa laban ito, magkabilang koponan na to. Pero kung titignan natin yung mga team standings ito, San Sebastian and San Beda, medyo mailap pa ang panalo sa kanila. They are the bottom part of the team standings sa NCAA bracket. And of course, getting your first victory will be a nice breakthrough for either teams.
Most definitely, Jay. So these two teams are gunning for both their first win and looking to put up a marker on the win side of the tally.
Ito, una muna natin pag-usapan yung sa San Sebastian na okay na sana, pero pagdating ng EAC, pagdating sa dulo, actually, the scores actually on the other side of it, nanalo yung EAC 68-60. But kung titignan mo dito, yung field goal shooting issue pa din Ross.
Looking at their field goal shooting, that's one that they can improve on with just 35%. And comparing that with San Beda University's 38%, these two teams, you can say actually that they're sort of at a match.
Oo. Kaya yun yung aabangan natin dito. Lalo na yung, kung may San Sebastian ka, yung Polo Gabat mo, di ba? For 2 games already, is making a lot of wonders for San Sebastian.
Exactly. With 14 points, Polo Gabat has earned to add for his team this scoring. So hopefully, he can maintain that or even add even more. Include also having his teammates in the mix.
Oh. Lalo na si Paeng Ares, sigurado makikita natin mamaya, he did not play in that previous game against EAC, pero ngayon, mas maganda kung magiging tag team partner ni Polo Gabat si Paeng Are. Puntahan naman natin yung sa kabila, yung San Beda kontra Perpetual Health. Again, the field goal story is quite an issue for the Red Lions.
Yes, with 38% shooting out of 57, they only made 22 field goals. Although you can see here, they were at a lead with a fast break points of 14 versus 6. So I think this can be where they can also lead on coming throughout this game against San Sebastian Stags. Although they started trailing on a 9-0 run, they weren't able to lead back since then.
So, yung start, ang hinahanap dito ng San Beda, lalo na kung meron kang mga gwardiya, di ba? But if you will have Zayn Albuena, who's coming off the bench, producing 13 points, sigurado ngingiti talaga si Coach Yuri Escueta.
For sure. And guys like Zayn Halbuena are or at the back pocket sometimes. But these are the moments where they can shine.
Pero dito sa magiging laban natin ito, syempre ang abangan dito, yung PusoP.com key matchup natin. Actually, these two players have been, masasabi natin, quite on a spotlight if you have been following San Sebastian or San Beda. Syempre sa San Sebastian, nandyan nga yung nakatutok dito for 2 games already, yung Jaime Gomez Del Llano, who finally scored 8 points in their previous game, Ross.
Yes, comparing that is RC Kalimag from the San Beda Lions. They're both at 8 points each during their previous games. And, this is a very close matchup between these two and something that we can also look forward to as we tip off.
Parehas naglalaro ng mga small forward yung mga yan, for sure. Magtatapatan yan this game. Kaya tututukan lang natin yung PusoP.com key matchup natin for the rest of the game. Balikan lang natin yung team standings natin, yung pinag-uusapan natin. San Beda at San Sebastian nasa baba. Both teams looking for their first win of the tournament. Sino kaya ang uuwi na meron ng panalo sa kanilang win column? That's the final buzzer. Punta na tayo sa ating arena announcer.
A very good morning to everybody here inside the Playtime Phil Oil Center. And welcome to our first game between San Sebastian Golden Stags and the San Beda Red Lions. This is the Playtime Cares 18th Phil Oil Eco Oil Preseason Cup. Let's meet the starting fives, beginning with the San Sebastian Golden Stags. Starting at guard number 7, Ralph Gabat. Also at guard number 88, Andre Lumanag. Starting at center, number 19, Neil Castor. Forward number 32, Jaime Gomez Del Llano. And at power forward number 28, Gab Napasena. The head coach for the Golden Stags is Rob Labagala. And now the starters for the San Beda Red Lions. Starting at guard number 0, Penny Estacio. Also at guard number 13, RC Kalimag. Center number 7, Bismarck Lina. Forward number 2, Miles Culiodora. And at power forward number 8, JC Ponsalida. The head coach for the Red Lions is Yuri Escueta. Our reference for this game, crew chief Tote Celeste, umpire 1, Dennis Escaros, and umpire 2, Herbert Santos.
You just heard the starters for these two teams. Ang gandang combo nito, mga naka-golden. True to their Golden Stags versus the Red Lions. We'll run down the starters a little bit later on. In the meantime, this game is now underway. Una kagad yung mga nakaginto. And again, the one thing that you look forward to, especially if you're San Beda, is a good start. Pero yan din ang hanap ng San Sebastian. Hindi nga lang nakuha yun ni Castor. It's Estacio running the point to kick things off for San Beda. Bismarck way out. Gusto lumapit. Estacio setting it back to Lina. Nagkakandara pa. Shot clock an issue. Estacio has to far to not knock down first point. Ang higpit kagad ng depensa ng San Sebastian sa pag-umpisa. On the other side, tapos naman yung tira ni Jason Ponsalida. Patient execution being shown here by these two teams to start things off. Gabat. Screen provided by Nepasena. Post play. Nepasena. No good on the jumper. Around 90 seconds gone by. Wala pa rin nakakapuntos.
Who will draw first blood?
But these two teams, it's quite a surprise na, lalo na sa collegiate basketball, aasahan mo talaga pag collegiate basketball, takbuhan ka agad ng umpisa. But not these two teams, not in this game.
Yeah, you've seen so far that both teams have been setting up their plays. And being a little more patient with their set plays. I think, you know, it looks like to me that both teams want to get their higher goal percentages inside the paint. And comparing their last two games, they had equally higher results in their points in the paint results.
Shot clock violation nga lang ang San Beda. Still scoreless in the first 2 minutes of this ball game. Polo. Okay, sa kanto, Jaime GDR sending it back to Polo with 7 on the shot clock. Nice pass inside. Castor, napalakas lang rebound on Salida.
That was a good find on a high and low play, giving it to your big on the paint.
Sa ngayon, ang nadidescribe mo pala yung mga play execution pero wala pa yung mga baskets eh, no? Yun na lang yung kulang eh.
Baka malapit na.
Oh, it's just a matter of time.
Opening
Catch
game
and-
jitters.
Oo. First game eh. 10 in the morning. Pero may foul kagad. Neil Castor ang tinawagan ng foul of that catch and shoot play, and RC Kalimag will troop to the line to finally break the ice in this ball game. Ocho puntos, 2 rebound, 2 pasa na naging puntos. First game nila. The meantime, this free throws brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Sigurado ka dito.
Last shot here.
That was off a three-pointer attempt. And it's something that you would want to see to a RC Kalimag na pumunta siya dito sa San Beda with that expectation. This is entering his another year for San Beda. Kumbaga, time to shine na niya talaga to.
It's more or less like to solidify his move, but then also at the same time, really bring out what he can for the team as well.
Gab na Pasena, first field goal of the game. Para sa San Sebastian, sa San Beda naman, that's the first field goal of the game, courtesy of RC Kalimag.
RC now earning 5 points in the game, leading the Red Lions 5-2 against the San Sebastian Stags.
Purado sa eksena si Polo Gabat with that spin move. Discarding Ricky Kalimag na rin yun eh. Yung mga spin move, mawawala lang bahagya yung bantay. Making good use of his all the body parts available.
Size, physical size, balance.
San Sebastian with a setup. They go to the corner. Jaime GDN, muntik maipit. Polo. Creating some space. Listen shot ang nangyari. That ball goes out of bounds, and at the same time, the shot clock expired. Some difficulties on the side of the Golden Stags in running their set plays.
Well, you also have to give credit to both teams. That's why it also took a few minutes before they had their first field goals. They're showing good defense on both their ends.
Lalo na dito, nakatao-tao din ang San Sebastian. Bismarck Lina, quite a comfortable spot for Bismarck. The shot clock says it's just 1 second. Estacio against the shot clock. No. And one good consideration din, nagpapalit-palit yung depensa ng magkabilang koponan.
Mixing it up a little. Parang saan gagana yung mas effective na defense.
Corner 3 won't work for Guldora. On the trail, the 3, it's in for Neil Castor.
The Stags' first 3-point field goal brought to you by Castor.
Saktong-sakto, in the rhythm pa. Mamaya, may jack na yan sigurado. Gusto bumawi ni Bonzi, but that one is just a long two-pointer for JC Bonsalida.
Stepping on the line. Regardless, that was still a good shot.
Pinabata pa. 3-point lead for the Red Lions. Past the halfway point of the opening period. Jaime GDL ringing the bell. Back-to-back threes for the Golden Stags. And some defensive issues ang nakikita dito ni Coach Yuri Escueta. Jiangnan Hatpat 3-point of the quarter muna tayo. Galing yan kay Jaime GDL. Brought to us by Jiangnan Hatpat. Tandaan, basta Hatpat, Jiangnan na. Timeout muna tayo.
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa dikitan di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa dikitan di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa...
Playtime. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out.
Ang bilis!
Swerte sa akin ang playtime. You're welcome. Playtime. Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%.
Taas nun, ha?
Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out.
Ang bilis!
Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
Beckeres inside the Playtime Phil Oil Center. Jay De La Cruz together with Ross Chotico. And here's the thing, we're tied at 8. 4:47 remaining in the first. Kung ikaw si Yuri Escueta at nakita mo na yung kalaban mo, 1 of 6 sa loob. Pero sa 3-point area, 2 of 2, talaga maaalarma ka eh.
True, yes. So you want to have coverage on the wings or on the perimeter threes, pero gusto mo rin naman na makapenetrate ka inside the paint to get higher field goal percentages.
And RC Kalima got fouled again, taking a 3-pointer. Defender ni RC Kalimag was invading the cylinder. Yun yung magiging term na ng mga referees dito. Lalo na yung pumita nun, si referee Toti Celeste. Nagaling Pampanga last week.
Back to back.
Oo. Actually, marami.
Sabagay, oo nga.
RC Kalimag, 8 points, 8 of the 10. Ayan, nagbintis yung pangatlo. Wala pa, di ko pa tinatapos yung magbintis yung free throw. Wala akong kasalanan dyan. But 8 of the 10 points of San Beda coming from RC Kalimag, and he is tied with the Golden Stags.
Which looks to me like he will definitely surpass his total point creation from last game. Kasi 8 points yung total niya noon. Eh, ngayon naka 8 points na siya.
First quarter pa lang tayo.
Exactly.
May 4 na minuto pa. Top shot. But the ball will stay with the Golden Stars. Bagong pasok si Andre Lumanag. Sinalubong agad yung depensa ng Beda. Pasok naman si Lawrence Hawkins at itong si Nina Cyrus Pina. Polo directing traffic. Pick and pop. Nepasena could not knock down the three-pointer. The first miss of San Sebastian from the Rainbow territory, but the ball will stay with the Golden Stars.
Good look. That was a good look. Since their threes have been falling in, yun lang, namintis.
Yun talaga yung tendency. Kapag pumapasok yung mga perimeter shots mo, there's that tendency to fall in love with those perimeter shots.
While it's hot.
Yun nga eh. 8 on the 24. Bonsalida. Oh, good looking jumper coming from JC Bonsalida. 4 na puntos na yan.
San Beda now up by 4 with 12 to 8 against San Sebastian.
Dalawa pa lang ang pupunto sa San Sebastian, sa San Beda. Si Kalimag at si Bonsalida. So yung 4 na lamang ng San Beda ngayon, contribution yan ni Bonsi.
Another name added to the stats list. For now.
Second try for the Golden Stars. Lumanag, eyeball to eyeball against Cyrus Mina. Shot clock at 6. Cross court, muntik mabitawan. Kailangan ng tumira. Mauubos ang shot clock, pero pinago ang bola. Takbo ang mga nakapula. Hamora, punta sa kaliwa kay Richie. Kaya lang, nandun yung bantay. Hamora, outside again to Richie Kalimag. Di maibigay kay Lawrence Hawkins. Execute muna si Bonzi at si Richie. 4 on the shot clock. Going to his right. And the jumper is good. Coming from Richie Kalimag.
Hawkins was trying to get the ball from the inside, but good thinking by Richie Kalimag. Getting the jumper for San Beda University.
Yung ginawa ni Lawrence Hawkins, sigurado matutuwa din yung kanilang konsulta na si Coach Norman Black eh. For a big guy, di ba?
Yes. Inside coverage is also an advantage kasi. So, syempre, pag nakuha mo yung bola sa paint, that's a higher percentage shot for you also.
Almost 100 seconds remaining in the opening period. Kyle Hamora nakikipagngitian kay Lumanag. Hindi maipagpag. Nauubos ang shot clock. Naitira ni Richie. Net lang ang tinamaan. On net naman. Problema nga lang on the wrong side.
There have been a lot of times that their shot clocks have been running down. No? I think that goes to show the good coverage on defense. Yun lang, hindi din nila mahanap pa yung offensive rhythm nila. Pero lamang sila ng 14.
And you could also consider that San Sebastian, indeed, they are getting the stops. Hindi lang nagiging 2 points eh. Still having a hard time breaking that zone defense of San Beda. But there's the recovery by Jaime GDL. Emergency pass. Meron pa namang malo sa shot clock. Wanna go at the post, pero natapikan si Christian Richo. 7 on the 24.
San Sebastian are being forced to shoot on the perimeter exactly because, like you said, they couldn't penetrate inside the zone defense of San Beda.
Ang bilis mag-collapse eh.
Recovery din.
Oo. Ang hanap ng San Sebastian dito kung sino yung makakapasok sa loob. Kaya nalilibre yung labas. Kaya lang walang tinaman yung tira ni Lumanag. Supalpal ba ang inabot kay Zayn Albuena? Shot clock violation.
Speaking of Zayn Albuena, he's making now his presence felt as he enters.
Hamora, not in a hurry. Just want to move that ball around against this man-to-man San Sebastian defense. Albuena back to the basket. Hands it off. Mina for three. Cannot get it. DJ Pelebrico nasa loob na. Pakailamero kasi si Lawrence Hawkins. Nag-timeout yung San Beda kanina. Mga bandang 5 minutes, 4 minutes. Tap na tayo sa 8. Ngayon, matatapos yung first quarter, hindi pa gumagalaw yung score ng San Sebastian.
Parang nung start nung game ulit no? Ang tagal bago nakalagay ng puntos.
Oo. First 2 minutes, scoreless. Yung bandang gitna, sumunod-sunod. For San Sebastian, they want to write the last sentence of the first quarter in quite a high note. Pelebrico launches. Couldn't get it. Rebound, Joe Celso. And the shot clock is off. San Sebastian has a foul to give. Will they use it? Nahiya si Albuena tumira. 2 seconds remaining. Corner 3. That is short. Celso na ihabol. Alam, dyan na matatapos ang ating first quarter. Quite an eventful first quarter. Defensively, actually. Pero merong mga bright spots pagdating sa offense, Rose.
Talk about bright spots. You have RC Kalimag from San Beda there and
Jaime
Jaime
GTL.
Gomez de Liano for the San Sebastian Stags.
Ayan, tandem, tag team sa scoring. Yung RC Kalimag at yung JC Bonsalida for San Beda rather. That's why they have a 6-point lead at the end of the first.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa...
Playtime. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis. Swerte sa akin ang playtime. You're welcome.
Hindi aabot ang data. Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi nabitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Second quarter is about to commence in this Menjola matchup. Diba? Yung isa, sa harap ng recto talaga yung isa. Sa harap ng Menjola, San Sebastian kontra San Beda. Pagpapatuloy po ng Phil Oil, Playtime Cares, Phil Oil, Eco Oil 18 Pre-Season Cup presented to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Kanina, sinisilip mo yung mga numero, Ros. Ano ba meron?
Well, comparing so far at the end of the first quarter, si San Beda University, San Beda has rather already
Ilan yan? Yung free throws, no?
yes, already 6 out of 7 free throws. So comparing none yet for the Stags, although the Stags already have 2 out of 8 from the 3-point area.
But you could also credit it as Zairos Mina. Ayan, nadagdagan na yung free throws ng San Beda. Pero dyan mo rin makikita yung masasabi natin, yung ganda ng zone defense, yung disiplina sa depensa ng San Beda, di ba? Sinusubukan naman ng San Sebastian umatake.
True. Although hindi nga lang din pa rin sila makapasok. Kaya the Stags are forced to take their outside shots. Kaya nakakapag-convert sila. Pero nakakapag-convert naman sila on the outside.
Oo. Problema lang dito sa San Sebastian, they were 2 of 2 to start the game in the 3-point area. But since they're 0 of 6, turnover pa. Kaso, yung bola ayaw lumapit sa San Sebastian, rather sa San Beda. Jump ball tayo, ang possession arrow nakaturo sa mga taga-Baste. Ito talaga yung istorya. No? Pag San Beda, San Sebastian naglaban. Andun talaga yung tendency magkapalit-palit talaga. Magkabuhol-buhol dila natin eh. The ball stayed with San Sebastian, so the shot clock will not reset. Kumbaga, possession continuous lang. But that would not matter anymore because it's a turnover. Malalim na iniisip ng dalawang coach ng San Sebastian, namely Rob Labagala and Gilbert Lau.
Trying to find their rhythm also for the boys on the floor.
Baka mamaya Rob Labagala na yung maghanap ng rhythm talaga, biglang mag-jersey yan.
Pati si Coach Gilbert.
Oo. Richie Kalimag against the contact. All air. Rebound secured by San Sebastian. Tristan Felebrico wanting to make his move. Cannot fend off Estacio. Return pass. Felebrico ayaw talaga ng bola sa kanya. Hindi kumagalaw ang score ng San Sebastian. They had that 8-point mark back in the middle part of the first quarter and it hasn't moved since.
Nakapako.
Kalima using that Celso screen. Cross court. Nina absorbing the contact. Gets the bucket plus a foul.
He saw he had an advantage there on the layup. So RC Kalima kicking it out. Having the layup and one.
Saktong-sakto ang ating best play of the quarter brought to us by Playtime Cares, elevating the next generation of Filipino athletes. Sige, marami na silang umi-score dito. Si RC nakakarami, si JC Bonsalida may segunda. Ay na, si Cyrus Mina getting an N1 play. 5 points for Cyrus Mina. It's a double-digit advantage for San Beda, 19-8. Inside, finally a bucket for San Sebastian, courtesy of Matacosta.
Finally breaking that scoring drought.
And better news, sa ilalim ang galing.
Yes. Good look naman din yun. Good look, good find.
O, yan eh. Diyan na gumano yung mga connection ng isang matalinong point guard na Rob Labagala tsaka isang highly effective big man na Gilbert Lau. And the getaway, nakakuha na ng kumpiyansa yung Matt Acosta. So he had that confidence, he had that bravery to drive, and it produced results.
And finally being able to run the lanes and attack the basket, which what San Sebastian has been looking for earlier on since the first quarter.
Free throws brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Sigurado ka dito. Yun nga lang. Sige, tama. Tama ka, Ross, no? May nakitang open lane. Maaalarma na dyan yung mga Boyet Fernandez na coach, di ba? Teka, bakit bukas yun? Usually, ganyan na, di ba? Kaya maraming coaching staff, di ba? May kanya-kanyang assignments yan, eh.
Correct. Yep. For defense, for offense. And yun naman yung concept dun pumapasok yung team. Talagang hati-hati. Tulungan.
Bismarck Lina is back in the game. Outside, Richie Canlimag. All air again on the 3. Rebound San Sebastian in there on the run. Matt Acosta, hindi na makapaghintay, pero nasa raduhan. 3 on the way, yet short. Rebound, natapik kay Christian Rizo. Buti na lang nandun si Paeng Are.
Ang ganda nung ikot ng bola nila doon. And being patient on the attack.
Gustong babawi kagad ng San Beda, pero hindi na pumasok yung tira. Celebrico. Rizo. Looking for some friends. Paeng Are wanting to make his move. Inside pass. Rizo again. Paeng Are effect in motion for San Sebastian.
Now we talk about the high-low plays, and that's what they've been trying to break from the start of the game.
7-0 run for San Sebastian. Bismarck Lina will grow to the free throw line. Tingnan muna natin ito. Yan yung Paeng Are effect. Nakikita niya lahat. Very wide peripheral. And he found Christian Rizo for the bucket. A DNP in their previous game against EAC. Ngayon, offensive rebound yung mabibigay sa niya. Tapik kay Rizo, tapos may assist pa.
You can appreciate a guy like Are being able to find open teammates under the ring for those opportunities. Kahit sabihin mo, pwede na niya itira din dun sa labas pa lang eh.
Oo. Pero wag natin kakalimutan yung offensive arsenal ng isang Paeng Are. May taglay na katindihan din yun. In the meantime, Bismarck Lina splitting his charities. 5 ang abante ng San Beda. Finally breaking that run that was made by San Sebastian. Rizo to Are. Paikot-ikot na ibigay kay Fernandrico. Tabing ilang yung tres. Rebound, tap out of bounds by Christian Rizo, and Ross Chodico is so amazed with that move coming from Paeng Are.
Yes, that would have been big for Are being able to do a dipsy-do.
Ang lalim eh. Kala mo ititira. Buti na lang pinasa.
Oo nga, may napasahan naman pala siya sa court.
Lina looking at the weak side, pero siya na tumiskarte. It's got rejected by the rim, and the ball went out of bounds. It will go the other way.
The Stags are going a little more aggressive on the inside, finding their open boys, open players under as well. So yung mga kick out nila and penetration are so far what's been working for their plays.
Rizo, labas kay Paeng Are, the three-pointer. Hala.
Warm up muna, warm up.
Re-recalibrate mo na yan. Konting pihit lang, konting pihit. Nasobra sa pihit kanina. 20-15, lamang pa rin ang mga nakapula. And RC Kalimang is back in the game, who had 8 points in that opening period. Bismarck Lina, post-action. Nice cut! Timing na timing. Yung pasok ni Rodney Tolentino.
Drawing the defense on the low post, and then suddenly, biglang may jump short stop ka dun sa gitna.
Yung isa pang galing sa CEU. Tumawid lang. 8 on the 24. Polo Gabal is back in the game as well. So as Jaime GDL. 3 on the 24. Paeng Are has to shoot. Fadeaway jumper too strong. Rebound battle. Tap out of bounds by a Red Lion. Mananatili yung bola sa mga nakakinto. Pero gagamit muna ng isang timeout si the coach Rob Labagala. 22-15 lamang San Beda.
Sa ABC sigurado ka, sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka, pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Itong part na to.
Okay po.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome!
Di abot ang data!
GG
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi bitin with 10 gig data to power your games plus Only Facebook or Only TikTok. Load now!
Sa ABC sigurado ka, pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
.452 remaining in the second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang 7 ang San Beda kontra San Sebastian, 22-15. Jay De La Cruz together with Ross Chotico. First game ng ating 4-game Saturday. Nanggulat yung San Sebastian of that timeout. Baseline throw-in. Andre Lumanog gumana. Babawi na lang ang San Beda sa tres na to ni RC Kalimag. I'm back.
RC Kalimag now with 11 points in the game. Just at the second quarter, Jay.
May sagot naman si DJ Felibrico. First 3 points for Tristan. Ang bilis ng palitan ng scoring coming off that San Sebastian timeout. Kalimag again. This time a miss. Polo Gabat. Biglang umapak sa 5th gear pero biglang try na muna. Hintay ng mga barkada. Jaime GDL against RC Kalimag. Hands it off. Polo has 4. Sa ilalim. Labas ang bola. Sakto sa shot clock. Kapus. Rebound na ako ni Bismarck Lina. The other side, RC na nandyan ang depensa, wala yung pull-up, rebound, lumusot lang kay Bismarck Lina, natawagan tuloy ng foul.
Five-point difference na lang, Jay. Ang hinahabol ng San Sebastian Stags at this point in the game.
Sigurado mararamdaman mo yung mga coaches. Halimbawa, kung San Sebastian, kalaban mo, season 99 champions, di ba? You're just trailing by 5. Naiisip mo pa rin na, teka, may ginagawa tayo maganda. Kahit 20 puntos pa lang tayo eh.
That's a pat on the shoulder kahit paano. Kasi, syempre, 5-point lead lang. And definitely that shows there's something in the mix that you're doing, right? And right now, for the San Sebastian Stags, it's likely also their outside shooting.
That's true.
It's their aggressiveness to drive inside the paint. But, you know, let's see how it further unfolds.
It's just a matter of time that these Golden Stags be able to break down that zone defense na nandun pa rin eh. Talagang pinanindirgan talaga ng San Beda na, sige pare, zone na tayo. Upo si Bismarck. Pasok sa loob si Lawrence Hawkins. Ang issue kasi, Bismarck Lina, nati-check din dito eh. Kasi palitan yung mga bigs dito. If you notice that this San Sebastian lineup, it's not a small team.
So they're looking for their, kumbaga, mix on the big side.
And these are not just big sa talagang poste ng Serena. As you're seeing on the commissioner's row, All smiles si Sir Dave, ah. Siyempre, Commissioner Jolie pa, Angela Activo, Deputy Commissioner Bert De La Rosa, joining us this morning. In the meantime, there's Andre Lumanag ringing the bell once again from the outside. Wicked, oh! Good rejection coming from San Sebastian. Timeout to sigurado pag nakashoot ang San Sebastian dito. Lumanag again!
Just as you predicted, Jay, the San Beda University Red Lions have called a timeout at this juncture of the game. Seeing that three-pointer coming
All-net
from the
pa,
stands.
diba? Jiangnan hotpot, 3-point of the quarter. Basta hotpot, Jiangnan na. Timeout ang San Beda.
Itong part na to.
Si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya alam, kahit hindi niya sinasadya. Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome!
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa dikitan di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Hindi umuulan.
Di mo tayo makakabenta!
Yes!
Don't worry! The Unleash with Smart's Power All 99. Hindi bitin ang benta with only TikTok or Facebook plus 10 gig data and more. Load now!
swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome!
2:04 remaining in the first half. Isa na lang ang hinahabol ng Baste. 27-26. 11 ang lamang ng San Beda kanina. And as a matter of fact, San Sebastian just scored 8 points in the first quarter and it doesn't look like that way at this point in the game, Ross.
You were the San Sebastian Stags at this point. You'd be happy about this deficit because they were down by also as much as 11 at one point, and as the game progressed, di ba, ang tagal bago nagkaroon sila ng puntos sa board, and it was stagnant also for a while.
Kaya nga dito mo maunawan yung mga collegiate players, diba? Yung mga college players na, uy, may naka 3 points na isa. Gusto nila, sunod-sunod rin eh. Strike while the iron is hot.
Yes. But they've also been patient with their shot selection. And they've also been more aggressive on their inside attack.
Doon lang kailangan na tumira.
Oh, naubusan na ng oras ang Stags.
Naging masyadong pasensyoso naman.
That's a good defensive stop also. Credit to the San Beda University Red Lions.
And if San Sebastian is making their outside shots, that talaga mapipilitan yung San Beda na mag-recalibrate ng depensa din eh.
Yes. Protect the line.
Oo. Pero kung yung depensa ng San Sebastian, eh, kailangan nila mapigilan yung RC Kalimag na yun. Napalakas ang tira ni Hawkins. Isa pa. Ayun!
Fell through this time on his second attempt. Good read and distribution by RC Kalimag. So far, he's also been distributing well for his team. That's why they've also been on the lead for these 3 points.
Yun nga lang, nawalan ng assist si RC Kalimag. Pero nagkaroon naman ng offensive rebound si Lawrence Hawkins.
Oo.
Mamaya, sa review, sa film review niyan, mag-aasara yan ang dalawang yan.
Sayang naman, may assist na sana ako.
Lawrence naman, pare naman. Di pa pinasok yung bonus free throw. Yan, matutuloy lang yung pag-asa ng mamaya ni RC.
Babawi yan pagdating ng third quarter.
Oo. Oh, patapos pa lang yung first half natin eh. 40 segundos pa. Pull-up jumper. Malakas ang tira ni Polo. RC Kalimag. Manning the point. Kyle Hamora. Nagpasayaw-sayaw sa ilalim. Pass intended for Lawrence Hawkins. It went out of bounds. It will stay on the side of the Red Lions.
That was a good trail coming by from Hawkins. Yun lang, nawala lang sa kanya yung bola. Galing sa pasa.
11 on the shot clock. Kyle Hamora, nice fake. In and out of the shot though. Rebound, Polo Gabat, and the shot clock is off. Walang pakialam ang San Sebastian. Leia pa rin si Felipe Rico.
Fast break points being added to the stats.
Final shot time. Halbuena. Naku, nawala ang bola. May 1 second pa. May timeout pa ang San Sebastian. Nakakapag-drawing pa sila ng play dito. Eh, why not?
Last
Chance to take the lead. Oh, chance to take the lead eh. Pero yan muna, ABC Tile Adhesive Fast Break of the game muna tayo. Brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesive. Sigurado ka dito. Timeout tayo.
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
Matibay na dikitan. Konkreto, kahoy, bakal. Plastic, El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Palabangan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Happy anniversary at TNT! Pangmalawakang coverage. With free data, calls, and texts. At sulit na rewards.
Dito natin makikita kung magmamaterialize ba yung kinrokis nila Rod Blabagala, Gilbert Lau, at ni Melo Navarro. Backward throw in, long pass, difficult pass that went nowhere. Nakatira pa si RC Kalimag to end the second quarter. Quite an eventful second quarter, Ross. As you're witnessing the highlights in the second quarter, nag-pick up yung scoring eh.
Nag-pick up yung scoring, nag-pick up yung rhythm. Defensively and offensively. They both had good stops. That's why we're at just a 1-point differential by the end of the first half rather.
Dikit na dikit. Tignan natin kung magpapatuloy yung mga ginagawa nila RC Kalimag at itong pananalasa din ni Paeng Are. Halftime score 29-28. San Beda ahead.
Matibay na dikitan. Konkreto, kahoy, bakal. Plastic, El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Palabangan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Itong part na to.
Okay po.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Swerte sa akin ang playtime. You're welcome.
El General All-Purpose Epoxy, palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Di abot ang data! GG bro! Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi bitin with 10 gig data to power your games plus only Facebook or only TikTok. Load now!
Happy anniversary at TNT! Pangmalawakang coverage. With free data, calls, and texts. At sulit na rewards. My future.
Right? What's the plan?
I have a plan. The new Smart Junior Plan. Made for me. For only learning, only experiences, only connections at just $4.99. It's a plan as good as yours. New Smart Junior Plan.
Enjoy high-speed internet with one of Smart's best ever promos. Whether you need big data on a budget or worry-free Unli internet, get these Smart Wi-Fi promos today.
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi na bitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
Hindi umuulan!
Di mo tayo makakabenta!
Yes!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart's Power All 99. Hindi bitin ang benta with only TikTok or Facebook plus 10 gig data and more. Load now!
Sa ABC, sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Itong part na to.
Si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya alam, kahit hindi niya sinasadya. Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime. Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ang playtime. You're welcome. Playtime. Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
Hindi umuulan!
Di mo tayo makakabenta! Yes! Don't worry! The Only with Smart's Power All 99. Hindi bitin ang benta with only TikTok or Facebook plus 10 gig data and more. Load now!
swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Swerte sa akin ang playtime. You're welcome.
Hindi aabot ang data! Nice!
Don't worry! The Only with Smart Power All 99. Hindi na bitin with 10 gig data plus only Facebook or TikTok and more. Load now!
El General All-Purpose Epoxy, palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Sa ABC, sigurado ka. Sa dikitan, di ka papalya. Sa ABC,
ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Itong part na to.
Okay po.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Swerte sa akin ng Playtime. You're welcome!
El General All-Purpose Epoxy, palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Halftime tayo lang laban ng San Sebastian kontra San Beda sa magpapatuloy ng Playtime Cares Fill Oil Eco Oil 18 Preseason Cup presented to us by ABC Tile Adhesives. And this halftime stats is also brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesives. So, simple ng story ng ng numero natin eh.
Where you can see San Sebastian Stags are leading the three-point field goal area with at least 27% compared to San Beda's 12% field goal percentage, 1 out of 8. I think they still need to find their rhythm coming into the second half, although the free throws are where the San Beda University Red Lions have been gaining more momentum with 12 out of 16 free throws made. So, sa kabila naman, 50% because they've only made 1 out of 2 for the Stags. Other than that, though, on the rebounds, that was 28 versus 16 for the Stags against San Beda Red Lions.
Ang laking diferensya. Pero titignan mo itong leading scorers natin na hatid sa atin ng Playtime Cares. Yung RC Kalimag tsaka yung JC Bonsalida, yung namuno nung first quarter until dumating yung mga Zyros Mina. May contribution din si Richie tsaka si Lawrence Oki. Sa kabila naman, yung lumanag galing sa bench, di ba? Again, 8 points lang yung San Sebastian nung first quarter. But they managed to score a lot come the second quarter thanks to Andre Lumanag, sila Christian Ricio. Yung pagpasok ng Paeng Are, laking bagay din. Kaya nakaputos yung Christian Ricio eh.
Although Are has not yet been on the scoring leader side, his contribution has led the team to gain momentum and catch up on their trail. Mas spread yung lead ng scorer sa San Sebastian Stags compared to the San Beda Red Lions.
Ito yung isang tututukan natin, yung ating key matchup brought to us by PusoP.com. Baliktarin lang natin ng konti yan. No? It's RC Kalimag who actually has a lot of wonders, did a lot of wonders back in the first half. Yan yung mga numero nila in their previous game, di ba? Ngayon, yung Jaime GDL, so far this game, 3 points, 3 rebounds, di ba? Tapos yung RC Kalimag mo, as of this point, meron 13 puntos, may 2 rebound. Tsaka isa kasi something that Coach Rob Labagal and company should pay special attention to.
And I'm sure that they will. They'll make the adjustments that they can coming into the third quarter and in the second half of this game. At least, they're trailing by 1. That's not so bad at all. They're very close coming from behind. They've been able to gain their momentum and find the rhythm on the inside, attacking the paint. Siguro kailangan lang nila yung mas damihan lang pa yung kumpiyansa, kumbaga. Just like you said, even with Are coming in, we still have to see what he has to bring for the second half. I'm sure liliyab pa yan.
Uy, Mr. Bernard Yang, parte ng management staff ng San Sebastian Golden Stags basketball team. And we are about to begin the second half of this game. San Sebastian kontra San Beda. Jay De La Cruz together with Ross Chotico. First game for our Saturday quadruple header. Pero one more thing. Tanungin kita regarding naman sa San Beda. Ito, naging head coach. Head coach to head coach. If you're seeing San Sebastian launch a lot of three-pointers, but hindi naman gano'ng kataas yung porsyento as RC Kalimag knocks down a three-pointer, defense-wise, nakasona ka the entire first half, magbabago pa ng depensa?
I think just to mix it up a little, you can. Just so that you can get the offense on their feet some more. It's a good find to mix it up. Pero sabi nga naman nila, why fix something that's not broken if it's working to your advantage, di ba? So, pwedeng ituloy nila yon or pwedeng gawan nila ng ibang pasok yung kanilang defense. Baka pwede silang mag-press mamaya-maya. Tingnan natin.
Oh, yung pa hindi natin nakikita dito for a collegiate game to start things off, to start the weekend off. Wala pa nagpipress dito.
Yes.
Coach Bert De La Rosa, of course. Magandang umaga sa ating Deputy Commissioner dito sa ating Playtime Cares Phil Oral Eco 18th Pre-Season Cup presented to us by ABC Talent Adhesives, and RC Kalimag is nowhere near being done.
Scoring back-to-back buckets for the Red Lions so far. Already in double digits.
18 of the 34.
Exactly.
Lampas kalahati ng puntos ang San Beda sa kanya. Estacio, hinihingi ni Bismarck. Ang San Sebastian naman ngayon ang nakasona. Ikot sa labas. Estacio aatake. And Bernie Estacio.
That double team on Bismarck on the down low and their rotation to give the ball to the top of the key allowed them that easy layup on the inside.
Ang laking bagay talaga kung hindi lang yung ball handler, yung marunong magbasa ng depensa. Andre Lumana cannot fend off RC Kalimag. Opting to go to that corner. All air na 3 by Polo Gaban, who's been really quiet in this ball game. Hasn't made a field goal yet. Itong si Ralph Polo Gaban. Ay, libre sa ilalim. At hindi na nakatais sila Coach Rob Labagala at Assistant Coach Gilbert Lau. Quite a run to start for San Beda in the second half. Nag-umpisa sa atakin sa mga tira ni RC Kalimag at natapos ngayon sa atake ni Bismarck Lina. 38-29 San Beda.
Sa ABC sigurado ka, sa dikitan di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka, pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
El General All-Purpose Epoxy, palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
San Beda in the midst of a 9-1 start in the second half. Tignan muna natin itong ating rebound of the quarter. Walang nakapigil kay Bismarck Lina. Para sa rebound na yun. Of course, that rebound of the quarter is brought to us by Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy. If you're San Sebastian, it's bad enough that RC Kalimag has 18 points in this ball game.
Ayan na, Jay, ang pinag-uusapan natin kanina, press break and press. The press opportunity on defense, forcing the turnover on San Sebastian.
Yan, naumpisa natin. It's bad enough that you make RC Kalimag score 18 points with a lot of time remaining in the third quarter, plus 1 quarter remaining. Then you enable guys like Penny Estacio, Bismarck Lina to make contributions. Tapos sasalubungan ka pa ng press. Aray ko.
Parang gulpi de gulat.
Oo. Puntos pa si JC Bonsalida. At ang sabi ni referee Toti Celeste, sandali lang, awatin muna si RC kasi may infection control tayo. Sir Dave! Also, joining us. Siyempre, weekend, nandito yung mga yan. Mamaya, complete cast na yan. Yung mga tipong Bennett Palad, andyan rin. Virgil Villavicencio, andyan din. Nakasama din natin sa Pampanga, di ba?
Speaking of Mr. Bennett Palad is now joining Mr. Robert De La Rosa on the table.
Mamaya, kukunan natin ang mga ating mga magigiting na direktor na si Francis Opilio. Ang ating mga magigiting din na mga pinuno dito sa torneo na to.
Slightly long pass there for the corner Nakapag-turnover tuloy ang San Beda.
10-point advantage for San Beda. They've been here in this point before. San Beda went ahead by 11 back in the first half. Just revisited that kind of margin. There's going to be an offensive foul against Polo Gabat. Something wrong with that screenplay. Dumadami yung puzzle na kailangan solve nila Rob Labagana.
The Stags are actually also now doing a version of their own press.
Umaangat yung depensa nila eh. Pero walang problema, walang pakialam si Cyrus Mina. Knocking down a three-pointer. It's San Beda's turn to make their outside shots.
Yes. Now it's falling in for the Red Lions as compared to the Stags' 3-point field goals in the first half.
San Beda was 1 of 8 from three-point country back in the first half. Since they're 2 of 2. And that basket will count for Tristan Felebrico. And ginawa ni TJ. Playtime Cares play of the quarter brought to us by Playtime Cares, elevating the next generation of Filipino athletes. Konting sigh of relief, no?
Little by little, at least.
Oo.
You know, hindi naman kailangan madaliin agad.
Walang 4 points dito. Paalala. Oo. Yan, dahan-dahan lang.
Tama.
Under 7 to play in the third quarter. Penny. Bismarck. Malayo-layo pa sa kanyang pinaka-komportabling posisyon. Nandun yung double team. May libre sa kanto. Malakas lang yung tira ni Ian. Wala rin Ismael. Penny could not take advantage of that turnover. Rebound secured by San Sebastian. Lead pass. Areto Felebrico. 2 free throws coming up.
The Stags now playing the floor a little more spread. Tsaka they're trying to get their fast break opportunities when they have it.
Kasi kapag binibi pa nila yung opensa nila, basta set upin lang nila yung depensa ng San Sebastian eh.
Baka lalo silang masaraduhan ng opportunity.
Free throw muna si TJ Felebrico. Hatid sa atin ng ABC Tile Adhesives. Sigurado ka dito. Ocho puntos na rin si Felebrico, ha? Di natin napapansin.
Silent contributor. But now, completing his free throw shot. Cutting the leads now to just 9. So 42 to SBU and 33 to San Sebastian.
5 points per game, 6 rebounds per game for TJ Felebrico. Lampas na doon sa quota yung points output niya. Eh, maganda, lampasan pa, maaga pa. Layo pa nito. Baseline drive, Hamora, sending it to Are. Hindi sila magkakampi.
Nabasa na ngayon ng Stags yung corner pass.
Matt Acosta is back in the game. Are. Up top, ikot ang bola. Lumanag malakas. Rebound, nag-agawan ng magkakampi. Sabi ni Bismarck Lina, akin na to. Si Richie pa sinabihan niya.
Good hustle though.
Oo.
Good hustle from both teammates.
Tumbang bantay ni Richie. And Richie Kalimag took advantage.
Are was hoping for an offensive there from Richie. Wala siya nakuha. At
Yeah.
nakapuntos pa si Richie.
And he actually got away with a warning for making a foul. 44-35. San Beda. Bonsi. Hands it off. Kyle Hamora. Tansik na naman si Are. Ayun ang offensive foul.
Looked like he was using his shoulder to create some space.
Oo.
Yun lang, natawagan na nga siya ng offensive foul.
At least nag-brace up si Paeng Are. Ano nung pag-brace up, tumalsik pa rin siya. Yun, nakita naman ng referee. On the other side, back-to-back fouls ay tatawag kay Kyle Hamora. Yun lang.
Penalty na yung San Beda.
Nung first half, ang namamayani sa free throws, San
San
Beda.
Beda.
Ngayon, humahabol ng bahagya sa free throws itong San Sebastian.
Well, that comes from the pressure defense that San Beda has been putting on the Stags. No, so they've been trying to get their stop so that they can force turnovers from the Stags. Yun lang, natatawagan ng fouls at nafa-foul din nila kasi ang Stags. Kaya nadagdagan na yung foul count
Oo.
ng Red Lions.
Pahirapan pa kasi nakapress ang San Sebastian. Energy preservation, no? Kaya nung first half, first half,
Set
present
muna.
lang muna.
Zone.
Baba tayo. O ngayon, umangat na yung depensa. Nakatawid naman si Kyle Hamora. Richie. Sending it to Zyros. Down low to Bismarck. He's looking at the weak side. Now he will challenge the defense of Napasena. Labas muna. Tres ni Zyros. Pumasok.
Also good vision coming from Bismarck with a big guy like that who can pass to the outside. Gusto mo rin yun eh.
Oo. Second assist of Bismarck Lina in this ball game. Zyros meron ng 11 puntos. Second guy to enter double figures for San Beda. Another San Sebastian miss. Zyros, nice fake. Extra pass. Ay, medyo tikit-tikit pa kasi sila eh. Hamora could not fend off Paeng Are. Outside, Richie has 6 to work with. Ikot kay Bismarck Lina ulit sa ilalim against the double team. Too strong. Another try against 3 guys in gold. Mina for 3.
Natuwa lang din ako ulit, Jay. That was a good decision from Bismarck, not forcing his second shot and being able to find an open teammate on the outside.
Malaking bagay rin nakalusot siya sa tatlong nakaabang na rebounder eh.
Taas na lang yung kamay niya, kanya na yung bola.
Biggest lead of the game. Felibrico inside. Good idea. But Matt Acosta was just stepping at that baseline. Panoorin muna natin itong play na tuwa. Yung Rastiotico leading to this Jangnan 3-point shot of the quarter brought to us by Jangnan. Hotpot, hotpot ba? Jangnan na. 3:14 remaining. At that minute or two stretch, San Beda did everything right.
They have their shot selection also, being patient with their selections. Tsaka defensively, yun nga yung pinag-usapan natin kanina, nagbago sila ng defense during the third quarter. Bigla silang napapress, forcing turnovers on the Stags.
And for San Sebastian, perhaps the only thing that they can do as of this moment is to exploit the penalty situation of San Beda.
That's a gamble on San Beda's part. But again, you're already in the penalty. That was less than 5 minutes into the third quarter. So honest defense from here on out to prevent any more fouls. Pero syempre, may mga tira na hindi mo naman ibibigay agad-agad lang. So they'd rather also have them earn it from the line. As compared to having the Stags go on a fast break spree.
Kasi isa rin yung paraan na yun na, sige, sabihin, pag sumugod na sa Sebastian na to, mapipilitan din mag-adjust. Isang beda sa depensa.
Correct.
Split si Paeng. 50-38, 12-point lead for the Red Lions. 2.5 remaining in the third quarter. Joel Celso is back in the game. Hands it off. Richie Kalimak on the attack. Richie! Lumulutong sir.
Height and flight.
Oo. This lead just keeps growing and growing. Somebody's down. Sayang yung tres ni Polo Gabat. Dahil nanulak daw si Gab Nepasena. Or is that Matt Acosta?
Acosta, I believe.
Oo, si Acosta nga. Good reason kaya nalibre si Polo Gabat kasi ayan, lalabas na si Mina. Yun, burado sa eksena.
Hindi siya nakapag-roll. Pero parang inararo niya yung depensa.
Pumander kasi, pag under niya, nanunulak yung Matt Acosta. Mystery from Richie Kalimag. Felibrico. On the other side, Jaime GDL, way off. At hindi nasundan yung three-pointer ni Jaime GDL back in the first quarter.
Which I guess he's hoping to find in the second half. With his attempts. Baka maya-maya konti.
Konting tira pa, no? Mora, short. San Sebastian on the run, but there's a transition defense of San Beda. Jaime GDL will try inside. The kick out. Taken away by Kyle Hamora. 3-on-1 fast break. Hands it off. Richie Kalima gets the bucket plus a foul.
Sharing the ball on a fast break opportunity, not being selfish there. Rather giving another field goal for Richie.
ABC Tile Adhesive. Fast break of the game muna tayo. Brought to us by ABC Tile Adhesives. Sigurado ka dito. Alam mo yung fast break na yan? Ang sikip na nila, no?
Kumpul na sila dun sa ilalim.
Oh. But still, nandun pa rin yung presence of mind na teka, parang siksikan kami dito. Pero hindi, nandito yung kakampi ko.
That's also the beauty of during a fast break, meron ka talagang trail na sumusunod. I mean, yes, you may be able to make the fast break on the first attempt, pero it's always good to have the extra pass.
Oo, extra options, di ba? Polo Gabat still field goal-less. Oops. Diretso sa kamay ni Jaime GDL. Counter attack. DJ Felibrico. Sidestepping move. Depensa pa rin ang nakakuha. Polo Gabat took it away. Bumitin sa ere. Wala yung tira. Felibrico rejected. Pero merong tulak si Zane Halbuena.
Credit to both teams right now for their aggressiveness. You know, active hands, offensive and defensive rebound there. Felibrico was NCAA 100 defensive team, correct? And mythical member who now has
9 puntos. Ay, tuwan-tuwa ka kanina, nakita mo si Coach Jolly pa. Oo. Siyempre, kumuha na yung it's gonna be a long day, di ba?
Yes.
So, nandyan yung mga reinforcement niya. Lalo't matindi-tindi yung magiging main game natin, mamaya, Ross.
And this is just the first of 4.
First of 4 pa lang to. Meron pa tayong LPU at EAC mamaya pagkatapos ng laro na to. In the meantime, San Sebastian will try to figure out how to cut this deficit down with a quarter remaining, with a quarter and change remaining. Celso hands it off. Kyle Hamora going to his left. Absorbing the contact. Kulang sa pectus. Nanulak pa si Joe Celso. Penalty ang San Beda.
Despite their being in penalty, they're up by 15. Their 3-point shots have been going in. Also, their fast break opportunities.
Kung titignan mo yung mga diferensya nito, no? Yung 3-point shooting, nabanggit natin. 1 of 8 back in the first half. Since they were 4 of 7
Yes.
from 3-point country. Assist department, malaki-laki ang lamang ng San Beda, 16-12. Turnovers. San Beda able to produce a lot of turnovers dahil nag-press sila.
Yes.
Kaya yung points of turnovers, laki din ang lamang. Oh. 14-5. Tapos hindi pa makapasok ng free throw ang San Sebastian. Hala, nagpapatok-patok ang problema sa opisina ni Rob Labagala. 5-second differential between shot clock and game clock. Good steal. And Paulo Gabat is gone. Finally scoring his first field goal of the game.
That's the defensive hustle you want to see from your players at this point if you're San Sebastian.
Final shot. Muntik mag-home run si Richie Calimag. Pero matatapos ang ating ikatlong yugto nang namapayagpag ang San Beda. 26-14 advantage in the third quarter, led by that guy, RC Calimag, who's just on a roll, leading all scorers with 18 on the other side. TJ Felebrico, double figures na rin, 11 puntos para kay Felebrico. Pero kung sasali yung mga Zairus Mina na meron ng 14, yung Richie Calimag na may 9 na puntos, mahirap pigilan itong San Beda na to. Kaya lamang sila ng 13 puntos sa pagtatapos ng ikatlong yugto.
Sa ABC sigurado ka, sa di kita di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka, pulido ang trabaho, di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa...
Playtime! Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome!
My future.
Right? What's the plan?
I have a plan. The new Smart Junior Plan. Made for me. For only learning, only experiences, only connections at just $4.99. It's a plan as good as yours. New Smart Junior Plan.
El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
Fourth quarter is about to begin. Coming here from the Playtime Phil Oil Center. Siyempre, ito pa rin ang Playtime Cares Phil Oil Ecol 18 Pre-Season Cup presented to us by ABC Tile Adhesives. Jay De La Cruz together with Ross Chotico. 13 ang inahabol ng San Sebastian. And Ross, for Coach Rob Labagala, siyempre, first year head coach ng San Sebastian. Entering your third game, it's still part of that entire process of looking for that right mix, especially in situations like this na first half, dikit. Diba? Against a very formidable San Beda team. Then, lalayo sila ng ganito. And syempre, nandun yung paraan talaga na, sige, doon mo makikilala yung mga players mo, kung ano yung magiging, yung attitude nila, yung response nila, diba?
At saka yung sistema, parang kung saan magiging mas komportable yung players with the system you're trying to implement also. but not just on the comfortability level of the players. Of course, if you have a system, they'll adjust to your system. It's all about being able to execute from this point forward.
Pero hindi kagandahan yung umpisa ng San Sebastian. Dito sa fourth quarter, napatira nila si Richie Kalimang. Buti na lang, hindi pumasok yung free throw. Point guard San Sebastian. Ang mga nakaginto, by the way, andyan si Ilagan, who's in the game for the very first time. Lumanag is there. Nepasena, together with Christian Richo and Camilla. Ayun, Lumanag. Finally getting a bucket plus a foul. Tingnan mo na natin ginawa dito, Ross. Simpleng screenplay.
And a pushing foul was called on Celso.
Some breakthrough offered by Andre Lumanag. 10 puntos. Hindi nadagdagan.
Oo.
Wala ako kasal. Huwag mo tignan nung masama. Wala pa akong sinasabi.
Na-jinx.
Oo, walang jinx dito. Huwag ganyan. Celso asking for it at the post. Cross court. Estacio. No. One more field goal will do a lot of wonders for San Sebastian. Especially their confidence. And they're trailing. Pwede na siguro yun. Big free throws coming up eh.
Good look, good attempt. Sumabit lang talaga sa kamay.
But look who is back.
If you were San Sebastian.
Yes. That's gonna be an uh-oh. Diba? Free throws muna. Hatid sa atin ng ABC Tile Adhesive. Sigurado ka dito. Pero sa panahon ngayon, diba? Siyempre yung mga 90s pa. Diba? 90s, yan ha. 12-point lead. Doon na yung consideration na tambak eh. Sige, 12 tambak na tayo. Pero ngayon, diba? 12 puntos.
Kaya pa yun.
Very manageable.
Kaya yun.
Kaya. JD Camilla. Walang problema sa free throw. Bumababa ang lamang ng San Beda.
Down to 10.
This was as high as 7. Yung lamang na to ng San Beda rather. RC. Diretso pero kapos. And he got his own miss. Bonzi's back in the game as well. Setting it to Bismarck Lina at the post. Double team coming up. Cross court. Estacio for 3. Kapag!
That one's big for San Beda. Continuing to extend their lead to 13.
And the contributions from the other guys are slowly coming in.
Yes. Sinusubukan ni San Sebastian mag-double team. Naiiwan na isa pero napapasok nila yung 3-point attempts.
Oh, bilis ang recognition eh, no?
Split second.
Oo, tulad yan. Nandun yung double team. Libre tuloy si Estacio para sa Jangnan Hotpot 3-quarter of the quarter. Hotpot ba? Jangnan na. 8 on the 24. May katagalan ng kilo sa opensa. Ilagan, kailangan ng tumira. Nauubos ang shot lang. Sakto lang yung layup.
That one's big also for the Stags. Cutting down the lead now by 11.
First 2 points for Jay Ilagan.
Slowly getting there.
Yung depensa rin ng San Sebastian kailangan mag-pick up dito eh. Pero sabi ni RC Kalimang, wala akong pakialam kung anong klaseng depensa ibibigay ninyo.
Attacking lang talaga, and RC Kalimang now has 20 points in the game.
Turnover pa. And Jay Ilagan will be tagged for that foul on that steal. Body-to-body contact pa yung na-encounter ni JC Ponsalida at ni Jay Ilagan. JC Ponsalida is asking for faking a foul. But the referee having none of it. 13-point advantage. RC with Bismarck. Siya na tumiskarte sa poste. Recognizing that there was no double team. May sumundot lang. Risho tinawagan ng foul.
Third team foul na ng San Sebastian.
Pero for several plays already, Ross, ang punta ng San Beda sa poste kay Bismarck Lina eh.
Oh, kasi it's been working for their half-court set. We noticed earlier that when the ball is down on the low post, Bismarck is able to find open teammates on the perimeter. And even then, his teammates are able to also convert to their three-point shots.
That's eerily similar, di ba, to what the set play sa ginagawa kay Jun Marmarto, di ba?
Yes, yes.
You go at the post, go to
Dish out.
send to their shooters. Risho. Shot is short. San Beda gusto tumakbo. Hay! Sandali lang.
Illegal pick ang mabibigay dito kay Bismarck Lina. Yeah, so tawagan ng offensive foul.
Namigay ng balikat eh. Tapos, he braced himself up for good measure. 6 minutes. Floater. No good. Coming from Jay Lagan. The follow-up won't work as well for San Sebastian. RC. Waited for some friends. Penny. Biggie kay Zane. Shot clock, still a lot of time. Ponsalida versus Christian Risho. Ponsalida, siya naman ang pumoste. Ala Dirk Nowitzki na tira, wala. Rebound na kuha ng San Sebastian. Epasena. Bigay muna dito sa kanyang mga kampere. Send it to the right side. Hands it off to Cabilia, who launches. In and out. Sorry, miss. Coming from JD Cabilia. Approaching the halfway point of the fourth quarter. Ayan, lakas kasi ng pasa kay JC Ponsalida eh.
Good hustle dun ha. Jump ball ang matatawag. Ball was loose.
Oo. Maganda naman kasi intention. Ang ganda ng bullet pass sa kanto. Kaya lang, parang hinahagisan mo naman. Si Joe Celso. Arsig with 5 on the shot clock. Ricaredo Christian. That's kay JC Ponsalida. All board on the 3. Lead pass. Napakilaman. Ball will stay on the side of San Sebastian with 4:47 remaining in this ball game.
Good transition defense there by the Red Lions. Reading the long pass. Where San Sebastian was hoping for a fast break opportunity.
Simpleng pangingilam lang sa mga lead pass na yun. Risho versus Bonzi. Christian Risho. That shot was short. At tumaba pa sa balikan ni Andre Lumanag. Coach Rob Labagala is giving a lot of minutes to guys like Risho, Lumanag, to Cabilia, na kahit yung paing-aray nandun sa bench. Polo Gabat on the bench as well. Understandably because Polo Gabat has been quite a struggle this game. 5 on the shot clock. Zane, step through, got it! Four minutes remaining. Things are looking good for San Beda, for San Sebastian. They're looking to start a 1 run. And it needs to start with a stop in this play. RC, cross court. Bonsi thought about a three. JC Bonsalita goes inside. One fake. The shot won't work. Rebound caught by Gab de Pasena. Quick three on the way. No! Again, good shots on Rose.
Good looks, yes. Good shots. Di lang talaga mapasok yung 3-point opportunity for the Stags. Parang natakpan. Parang natakpan yung ring.
3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Gagamit pa ng isang timeout si Coach Rob Labagala.
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Sa dikitan di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Don't worry! The Unli with Smart Power All 99. Hindi bitin with 10 gig data to power your games plus Unli Facebook or Unli TikTok. Load now!
Itong part na to.
Okay po.
Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas nun, ha? Swerte sa akin ang Playtime. You're welcome!
Sa ABC sigurado ka. Pulido ang trabaho di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Enjoy high-speed internet with one of Smart's best ever promos. Whether you need big data on a budget or worry-free Unli internet, get these Smart Wi-Fi promos today.
Plastic, El General All-Purpose Epoxy. Palabahan sa kahit anong dikitan.
3 minutes and 22 seconds remaining in this ball game. Perhaps Coach Rob Labagala drew up a game plan that he is hoping that his Golden Stags will make a one epic run as they are trailing by 16. Bola pa ng San Beda. Iniwasan yung pasa na hawakan ni Lumanag na recover ng San Beda na uubos ang shot clock. It's a stop for San Sebastian. Pero kung may shot clock lang.
Yes. That's not going to count. Napauwa ko kasi parang muntik na.
Muntik na, oo. Pero, kung ikaw San Beda, may ganit ka kalakay kalamangan, yun talaga gagawin mo, uubusin mo na yung oras na yun eh. Kahit mag-turnover ka pa, 24 seconds yun nawala eh.
Use it to your advantage and keep your fouls at bay because you don't need to put the Stags on the line any more than you do right now to take care of this lead.
Miss 3. Nepasena. Recovery. Nasa na doon ni Bismarck Lina. Nakaagaw pa.
Another turnover for the Stags.
2 minutes is upon us. Nice fake. Binigay pa. Return pass. Nagulat. Si Medroso. DJ Celebrico on the road. Nice extra pass. Polo Gaba to score. Nasana kanina pa nangyari.
Yes. Yung momentum nila medyo late in the game but you still appreciate the effort of almost the whole 5 of the Stags, of almost all of the Stags coming down for transition.
Hamora could not join that three-point scoring party. Lead pass. Lumanag. That one will go in. And if you're San Sebastian, abate ka. Kaya, hindi. Coach Yuri Escueta, just a little bit of caution. Kasi ayaw niya maulit itong mga fast break na ito. Nahatid sa atin ng ABC Tile Adhesives. Sigurado ka dito. Pero siyempre, kung ikaw San Sebastian, sige, isa pang ganon. May oras pa. Time out muna, Coach Yuri Escueta.
Sa ABC sigurado ka, sa dikitan di ka papalya. Sa ABC sigurado ka, pulido ang trabaho di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Itong part na to.
Si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya alam, kahit hindi niya sinasadya. Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ng Playtime. You're welcome!
A minute and 28 remaining. Classic Yuri Escueta fashion. Huwag kang magpapabaya hanggang sa huli kahit lamang tayo ng 12 puntos.
There's no time to be complacent until the last buzzer is sounded.
Especially with second stringers earlier, a mixture of lead guys and second stringers such as Ron Ray Tolentino just scored underneath. Diba? Opportunity for you to gain confidence sa execution, diba? Na kahit sabihin natin ilagay mo yung primary mo na si Arce Kalimag, pumalit yung Ron Ray Tolentino, alam mo rin yung gagawin nung kakampi mo eh.
Also showing good chemistry there from the Red Lions. Na whichever piece of the puzzle you put in, they've been gelling well.
Free throws, another issue. If anything, looks like we're just waiting for the final score. But if you're San Beda, after that defeat from the Altas, finally got your breakthrough. Yung jitters mo nawala na. Coming into your second game. Coming to your next game, di ba? Maaaring, sige, mas magana pakiramdam mo, di ba? Mawala na yung tension, ika nga.
Finally breaking through wins.
Pero may isa pang timeout dito si Coach Rob Labagala with 35 seconds remaining in this ballgame.
Itong part na to.
Si Vic Soto na ata ang pinakaswerteng tao sa Pilipinas. Kahit hindi niya alam, kahit hindi niya sinasadya. Swerte si Vic. Ikaw kaya, subukan mo sa
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo. Swerte sa akin ng Playtime. You're welcome!
Sa ABC sigurado ka, pulido ang trabaho di ka papalya. ABC, sigurado ka dito.
Hindi umuulan!
Di mo tayo makakabenta! Yes! Don't worry! Be unleashed with Smart's Power All 99. Hindi bitin ang benta with only TikTok or Facebook plus 10 gig data and more. Load now!
Playtime! Pinakamataas sa cashback sa 2%. Taas dun, ha? Guaranteed 10 minutes ang cash out. Ang bilis! Over 2,500 games para maraming chances manalo.
Happy anniversary at TNT! Pangmalawakang coverage! with free data, calls, and texts. At sulit na rewards.
.8 seconds remaining. San Sebastian trailing. Pero titignan mo yung schedule mo. For San Sebastian, parang gusto... Hindi mo na titignan kung sino yung kalaban mo. Titignan mo na lang, kailangan manalo tayo dito. Kasi you'll be down 0-3. Single round robin lang to. Nawala na yung pamuhunan mo sana
Which is what the teams are trying to do earlier on in the tournament. Earn early so that whoever you face off with towards the latter part of the round, you somehow have some space already with by the time you have the placing.
And that will do it for this ball game. San Beda, a breakthrough this early. They dropped their first game against Perpetual Health. Finally getting this one against San Sebastian. They enter the win column in quite a dominant fashion. Something you'd expect to see from your star players. Something you'd expect to see from the other guys. Good contribution all around. Hawak man nila yung bola o hindi. That is our final score, 67-54. Red Lions prevailing over the Golden Stars. Ang dami rin na sabing gumawa ng malaking contribution dito sa panig ng San Beda. There's that playmaking ability of Penny Estacio and Richie Kalimag. Pero Kuya RC talaga yung namuno dito, Ross.
He's now surpassed his first game point earning now with a total of 20 points in this game against San Sebastian. And you can credit his ability to spread on the floor opportunities for his teammates to score as well.
20 points, 5 rebounds for 2 assists. Ayan, Recaredo, Christian Kalimag. Full name talaga ang nilagay natin dito para kay RC Kalimag, para sa ating ABC Talent Adhesives Heavy Duty Player of the Game. Panoorin muna natin itong ating mga Smart Power na plays brought to us by Smart Power All 99. Ayan, all around there. Ang daming mga, kaya nung set binagyan natin, ang daming gumawa para sa San Bede.
Yeah, the floor was spread for the Red Lions, and it was a collective effort in the end from their press breaks, from their press defense actually, and then being able to convert on their threes on the perimeter, which also helped boost a seal for the win. Now up 1-1 all on the tally board.
Again, powered by Smart Power All 99. Get only Facebook or TikTok plus 10 gigabytes data and only calls and texts for 7 days. Load now. Full game stats muna tayo hatid sa atin ng Bostik El General All-Purpose Epoxy.
Just as we were talking about earlier with the Red Lions and their 3-point field goals up by 26%, although that came later in the second half already. San Beda was able to earn 15 points from turnovers against the San Sebastian Stags because of their press defense. And we've seen that on the second half of the game already. Third to fourth quarter, they were steady. They were forcing those turnovers. That's why the Stags were trying to get back in rhythm.
One more look at our PusoP.com key matchup of this ball game. Yun nga, nagwala sa opensa yung RC Kalimag. Kabila naman yung Jaime GDL. Yan ay magnificent start yung 3-pointer na yan. Yan yung nagpagkumpisa doon sa mainit na shooting ng San Sebastian. Pero hindi na nasundan. Namarkahan na din ng depensa ng San Beda. Again, the Red Lions winning this one 67-54. Hindi pa tayo tapos. Susunod, LPU Pirates kontra EAC Generosity po. Ang Playtime Cares Fill On Ecoil 18 Pre-Season Cup presented to us by ABC Tile Adhesives. Don't go away, LPU and EAC up next.